welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video and yet again another gift guide for Christmas 2020. Today we're talking all things budget. So I am on a £5 budget. I have shot a load of items which I think would be great gift ideas, perfect for maybe Secret Santa or for stocking fillers or for loved ones, but on a budget this year, which I know a lot of us will be. So I hope you guys find some inspiration in this video. I am also running a giveaway. So this video is in collaboration with everything5pounds.com. You guys know I love and work with them on a regular basis. This jumper, in fact, is one of my favourite new purchases from Everything £5. It was featured in my last haul, which was only a couple of weeks ago. So if you want to see what I've recently picked up for myself from Everything £5, then I will leave that video linked. And if you want to enter the giveaway, they have been kind enough to include 5 separate vouchers for 5 different winners, each with a value of £100. And all you need to do to enter is be subscribed to this channel, follow myself and Everything £5 on Instagram. I will leave both of our Instagram accounts linked below so you can click through, follow us on there, and then comment on this video once you have done with your favourite £5 item along with your Instagram handle as well, so that we know to reach out to you if you are the chosen winner. So this giveaway is open for 1 week from today. It is open worldwide and the team at Everything £5 will be in touch to pick the 5 different winners next week. So best of luck to everyone who enters, and without further ado I feel like we should get into showing you some of the things that I have picked up from Everything £5 that I have been purchasing myself this year for friends and family members. So if there are any friends and family members watching, look away now because you may be receiving some of these items as gifts this year. So this is my box full of goodies. So the first item that I wanted to include is of course a pair of pajamas. They do have a range of different pajamas on the website. I went for what I felt was the most coziest because 'tis the season, it's the time of the year to feel all the cozy vibes. So I went for this set in this beautiful kind of leopard print. It's like a furry, fleecy kind of material, this one. So the bottoms are full length trousers with a nice cinch in waist, and then the top is like a plain kind of crew neck style top. Super soft, this one. Nice and monochromatic, which I like, but like I said, they do have lots of variations of pajamas for you to check out. So PJs is the first £5 budget item to give someone this year. Sticking with the cozy vibes, I think loungewear is always a good shout, and to be able to get your hands on a full-on loungewear set on a budget is amazing. Now, they actually had this set in multiple different colours. I went for the light grey option and I went for it in a medium to large, and this is what the top is like. It is cropped, but it does come with like a drawstring pull-in tie as well to kind of cinch in at your waist, and then the bottoms are kind of like a jogging style bottom. Again, nice and high-waisted, super soft and fuzzy. They are cuffed at the bottom. I just really like this style and they're so soft. And then of course, in fitting with this jumper that I currently have on, a nice thick cozy knit jumper is such a good staple at Christmas, and to receive this on Christmas Day, it's the sort of item that you'll be able to like wear on Christmas Day. I love wearing something new on Christmas Day or new PJs at night. So this is that kind of chenille fabric. It's a roll neck design, so nice and cozy, perfect for the cooler months. It's just a really super soft, luxurious feeling jumper. This one is in a small, but obviously if you want your jumpers a bit more oversized and long line, which I prefer, like this one, I always tend to size up so that they're long enough to wear with leggings. A nice chunky boots. Speaking of an item to wear with chunky boots, I got a dress. Now, again, this isn't like my typical style. This is a gift for someone, but it's from the brand Jubilee in a medium to large. It's this perfect kind of autumnal brown, chocolate brown shade, which I'm loving this year. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And it's a nice kind of floaty smock style, just super lightweight and comfortable, that I would typically wear something like this styled with a cozy jumper thrown over the top, so that you've got a bit of skirt at the bottom with tights and ankle boots, or even knee-high boots as well. I'm loving that look. The main thing that drew me to this one was that rich chocolatey brown, perfect for autumn. Moving on now to a Christmas jumper. They have so many fun, festive, they have some tongue-in-cheek comedy type jumpers as well. Lots of jumpers for the men, so fun. In fact, I featured one in my last video. This time I went for a women's jumper, and this is like cute vibe. How cute is this? This is in a beautiful charcoal grey, and it's got a peeping little Rudolph, or not even Rudolph, reindeer at the bottom. I love this. This one is in a medium for reference for size. I would say this is like a generously sized medium. Okay, I'm actually going to show you some kids items now. Again, gifting this year. So I obviously don't have children myself, or if you're new here and you didn't know that, I don't have children myself, but we do have in our family nieces, cousins. So anyway, they have kids wear, and what I loved about this one, let me show you this one first, is that they have matching kids and adult wear, and these are actually official Cambridge University merchandise. They have all the official sort of branding and tags there. So with this set, they had some different designs, different colors as well, but this is a little kids hoodie with a matching adult crew neck sweat, which I think this is such a nice, like, basic everyday sweatshirt. Again, they did have other colors. I think they had a really nice like dark navy color as well. This is in a small, and just for reference, the kids one is in age 7 to 8. I also picked up 2 more kids wear items that I just love the look of. This one for a boy, this cute little kind of acid wash hoodie. This one is from the brand Youth 9, or is it Age 9? And it's from the brand Youth. I think it's Age 9 from the brand Youth. Like a khaki kind of colour, but that kind of acid wash worn effect with some Roman numerals up the top. And then for a little baby, little Bubba, it's a little like jacket, but kind of fleecy faux fur, super soft and cozy little zipper with a hood which has little bunny ears on, or like bear ears maybe, I don't know. Good for winter, good for the colder months for layering, and they were definitely more just to show you they do kids, so definitely check it out if you have kids yourself, or if you are buying for kids this year. Okay, let's move on to accessories now. They had quite a few different slipper options, so I picked up 3 different styles just to show you some variation, but they did have loads more. So these are from the brand Cozies. These ones are like little booty style in a black kind of faux fur borg style, super soft material, and they do have the little grippers on the bottom. So these are quite a long leg line, but then they also have the more like ankle length booty style ones. Again, these are both from the same brand. This one I think is a bit more luxe looking in that it's this super soft cozy fabric like a faux fur, but it's also got these little ribbon bow tie things on the back. And then the last and final pair that I got, very similar to those ones, but instead of the faux fur, it's more of a, well, it's still a faux fur, but it's less textured, and it's got these little gold stars on it. Another great accessory, and one that I actually featured again in my last haul in black. I was so impressed with the quality of it that I decided to pick up 2 more, a beige and a cream. And these are like a cable knit design beanie with a little faux fur pom-pom on the top, but also it has the faux fur lining on the inside. So these are super soft, cozy, great value for £5. I feel like I should put one on. I might just have to keep this one myself because I'm gonna get makeup on it now. But how cute is that? I absolutely love it. These are like a go-to for me for winter walks, boots, cozy coat, cozy scarf, and a little pom-pom beanie. Love it. I think that one would be my top pick from this haul as a gift idea. So moving on to some more accessories now. I got a few different scarves just to show you again the variety and options that they have available. This is a linen scarf. So to get a linen scarf, it is partial linen. I think it's 70% linen, this one. But even still, to get a linen scarf, lightweight, and this would be good in summer as well. Just such a lovely gift to give for someone who loves their scarves. I know my mum does. And then this is definitely a designer inspired one, and it also gives me kind of country vibes, like barber jacket, throw this on, hunter wellies, winter walks. They also had loads of different color variants of this one. I love the kind of olive khaki greens and browns in this one for, again, that kind of country style. But then on the other side, it is a brown check kind of beige and orange and a bit of black in there as well, so a nice neutral design. So you've literally got two scarves in one with that one, and definitely more of a wintry, warming, cozy scarf in comparison to the linen one. These other two are also that kind of cozy winter vibe. This one is just a plain and simple, super soft and cozy scarf. This is two tones, it's got the camel on one side and the cream on the other, but you can kind of throw it over whichever color variant you'd prefer. So I love that one, so soft. I think I'm going to keep that one myself. And then the last one that I got, again, I featured in my last haul, but in a different color variant. This one is in black. This is basically like a pashmina scarf with the little tassels on one end, or on both ends I should say. But it also comes with this like detachable faux fur piece here, which when it's around the neck, it's so soft and cozy. But you also have at the same time the option of just simply removing it. Moving on to bags now, I feel like this will transition quite nicely. I actually picked up 3 bags to show you. I'll show you this first one, this cute little snake print, like kind of mini, this sort of trend or like designer inspired bag has been huge this year. These kind of like mini cute clutch bags, just perfect to fit in there. Essentially just a little card holder or coin purse. And it does come with a longer strap that you can detach as well on the inside as another option. This is from the brand Jamie Bags. They did have lots of colours to choose from in this. I just think that is so cute. Or even if you've got like a little girl that wants her first handbag, how cute would this be? Love that. And then I also picked up 2 more bags. Again, designer inspired, these ones. These are like those, is it Longchamp? It's not Ralph Lauren. Or Longchamp, maybe? But those kind of like foldable bags that you can have on the go. This is the larger one and this is the smaller one. These are £5 each, so it's just a case of which size you would prefer. And again, loads of different colour variants in this one. They do come a little bit misshapen, and I feel like they need airing out and just kind of letting them settle and get their shape back a little bit before wrapping or gifting these, or even if you're just going to keep them yourself, then it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I got the 2 sizes. This would be a good little weekend bag style, and this is a good like on the go, throw your laptop in, just going to Costa to do some work this afternoon kind of bag. Another accessory option for gifting would be shoes. Now I do think you have to be careful with this one because you have to get the sizing right and you have to know the person's style preference. They had quite a few like canvas style trainers in like the Converse style, which I thought would be a good gift idea for someone who wears Converse quite a lot. Also I thought boots would be a good option with it being the wintry season. So they had quite a few different options. I just went for the one for this video just to show you. And this is like a heeled boot that you could wear maybe to a nice festive dinner with some tights and maybe that like kind of smock style dress to kind of be a little bit dressy. And I have actually tried these on because these ones are for me. They're comfy. Despite that massive stiletto, massive looking stiletto, I found these really comfy to walk in. So they come with like a crossover strap design and a faux zip there, but the real zip to get you in is on the side, like hidden on the inner side of your foot. And they did again have different color variants. I just liked the all black option, but they had some neon, some color options, but all black, in my opinion, is just a classic option to go for. What size did I get in these? Okay, I got a Euro 40 or UK 7, so size up in those ones because I found those to be the best fit, and I'm usually like a 6 to 6.5. And then last but not least, I had to include some jewelry because if you didn't know, everything5pounds.com have lots of jewelry options. So I went for 2, one for him and one for her. I'll show you the one for her first. They had quite a lot of like blingy options, which I thought would be really nice with a high neck shirt with maybe a Peter Pan collar and a jumper layered over the top to then have a real glitzy kind of glam Christmassy necklace would be a good option. I actually ended up picking up this one to share with you though. This is just a plain and simple like gold kind of cuff style choker necklace which you just put on, and I don't really want to get makeup on it, but you get the idea. It just kind of sits again over a collar. I think would look really nice with this one. And then for him I did opt for a watch. So if your man in your life is looking for a new watch, £5 is a bargain. However, I am just going to say this as like a bit of a disclaimer. I wouldn't personally buy the watches for someone like Tom who is very into his watches as like a collector's thing. This I think would be great for if you've got like a teenage son wanting a nice looking watch whilst on a budget, or alternatively for someone who's not into brands and just likes the idea of having lots of different watches to go with different outfits. So this, I love the simplicity of this design. I think it looks so expensive. Forget the fact that it's a £5. If you showed me this and told me it was a couple of £100, I would not question that at all. So it's from the brand Michael John Watches. I just think this looks so much more expensive than £5. With watches, they had quite a lot of choice to choose from for both men and for women in golds, rose golds, silvers, multi-tones, so well worth checking out. So that is everything that I picked up to include within this £5 gift guide. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, follow us both on Instagram, and comment down below your favourite £5 item to gift for Christmas along with your Instagram handle so we can reach out to you if you are the chosen winner in a week's time. Thank you once again to Everything £5 for making this video possible and this giveaway to give back to you guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you all very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.